How goes it, everyone? It's me, Jules. Welcome back to week 2 of the camper renovation. Gotten a lot done, as you can see. Got one half the printer. I've got one half of the camper painted at this point. Now I'm moving on to this side. Now, currently, there's a hurricane out in the Gulf, not coming to us, but that we're on the outskirts of. And later on this afternoon, we'll be getting some of that weather. So before then, I'm going to try to get a few things done while I can before I'm trapped in my house for the rest of the day. So, I think what I'm going to do is remove this sofa here. I've got 3 lag bolts on this side, 3 on this side that need to come out, and I think for now I'm just going to store it in my house to get it out of the way. So, I'm going to grab my drill, find a bit I can use to get these lag bolts out, and go from there. So I had a bunch of junk sitting here this morning. I've removed it, or relocated it to here. It is a mess, but I need all of these items. I was hoping to be able to work on these doors for the restroom this weekend, but I need to do that outside. There's no room in here to pull everything apart, sand it down, and paint. So it's gonna have to wait for now. I am still waiting for this replacement trim to come in, so might be a good thing to put it on hold for now. Right, so I gotta get it out this tiny door now. That should be fun. I did find some sort of mechanism here I didn't know I had. A tire leveler. Not sure what that does, but hey, if you know, leave a comment below. Well, that was easy. I had to do some cleaning. You can tell they had an animal, either a dog, cat, raccoon maybe. You never know, but it's clean now. I'm ready to sand again. I don't care too much for sanding. It's not my thing. Alright, enough of that. And it's done. Alright, so that weather we're supposed to get actually didn't pan out. But I was able to get everything sanded and taped off, ready to paint for tomorrow. So that's gonna do it for tonight, and I'll pick back up tomorrow. There's that weather. So, next morning, got my paint. Let's get to business. Okay, this is future me. What had happened, I started filming. I got all this painted. Went to edit the video. Turns out those files were corrupt. It was about 10 to 12 video clips that got corrupted, so you won't be seeing that part. But just imagine me painting all of this. It's gonna jump ahead to here now. So enjoy the rest of the video. So I'm gonna let this dry for a while. There's not much else I can do today. Maybe I'll do some cleanup in here, get everything situated. It's raining outside, so there's no way for me to take out these cabinet doors and drawers and prep them for painting. So I think I'm gonna just call it a day after that. Hopefully next time you see me, I'll be able to get outside to paint those cabinet drawers. And yeah, I think it's looking good so far. Can't wait to take it out. We've got something planned. It's still up in the air. We haven't decided a location yet for our first camping trip. But with that said, I've got to run. If you enjoyed this particular video, please consider subscribing and giving me a like. It lets me know how I'm doing. And remember, do what matters to you. How about that? That's pretty good. Yeah. Bye.